Hey there, welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. Today we're going to be going over the AND operator. Just as a quick reminder, this is a tutorial series, so if anything I'm saying in this video doesn't make sense to you, consider going back to a previous video in this series. This is meant to be an interactive course, so if you'd like to follow along, the link to this website is in the description below. The name of this website is W3 Schools, and I do not claim any rights to any of his content or any of his course material. I'm simply here to walk you through it. Now, with all that out the way, let's get into the tutorial. If you remember back to a previous tutorial when we went over the where clause, we use the AND operator in conjunction to this where clause. The AND operator is used to filter records based on more than one condition. So let's say that we have a data set and we have a customer column and a customer name column, and we want to filter on both of these columns. To do that, we use the AND operator since we're filtering on more than one condition. We're going to look over some examples to help you understand this concept in the quickest way possible. So as for now, we're going to erase this and just select all of our data. So as you can see, we have all of our data, and let's say we want to filter on the country column and the customer name column. Let's say we not only want customers from the country Spain, but we also want their name to start with the letter G. If you notice, this will be two conditions that we are filtering on, and to do that, we must use the AND operator. So we're going to come up here, and we're going to start by saying where country equals Spain. So this is the first condition that we are going to filter on. So if we run this, we will see that we have 5 customers from Spain. But we're not done because we have a second condition that we want to filter on, which is the customer name starting with the letter G. To do this, we'll use the AND operator. So we'll say AND, we will say customer name, and instead of using the equal sign, we're going to use the like keyword to specify that we're looking for a rough match and not an exact match. So we're going to say like, and in single quotes, we're going to say G %. And this % just specifies that anything can come after the letter G. So now we're going to run this query, and we can see we have 2 customers that not only are from the country Spain, but also have a customer name that starts with the letter G. So let's look at another example. So let's say that we not only want customers from the UK, but we want their city to be London. To do that, we will come up here and we will say where country equals UK in single quotes. Now we will specify the second condition. So we'll say and city equals London. Now we'll run this query, and we will see that we have 6 customers who not only are from the UK, but whose city is also London. So those were 2 quick examples of filtering on more than one condition. Now we're going to go through one quick exercise to test what we learned. So as always, I encourage you to pause the video and see if you can work out this exercise on your own. So this exercise is asking us to select all records where the city column has the value Berlin and the postal code has the value of 12,209. So to do this, we will start by saying select everything from customers where city equals Berlin in single quotes. And since we have a second condition, we will use our AND operator. So we will say AND. Now the second column that we're filtering on is the postal code column. So we will say postal code equals 12,209. So we will submit our answer, and we were correct. So that's the end of this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one.